there, this is Rom Wills coming back at you with yet another video. Once again, it is Sovereign Saturday. You may have to rebuild yourself to succeed. You may have to rebuild yourself. And when I say rebuild yourself, I mean exactly that. I ain't talking metaphorically. You might have to rebuild yourself, because if you're not in that place of success right now, what you're doing is not working. You got to look at yourself all the way around. Like, I'm known for talking about body game. You might have to hit the gym. You're not succeeding with not hitting the gym, are you? Because it's more than just getting women. Yeah, it's very important in getting women, but you might not have the energy to do stuff. You might have to increase your energy. You might have to start working out. You might have to feel good. That's one way. You're gonna have to look at your beliefs, because here's the thing. You're not sovereign right now. If you're not sovereign, you got to ask yourself why. You're not succeeding. You're not living the life that you really want to live. So you got to look at every angle of it. You might have to rebuild yourself. You might have to rebuild yourself. You might have to become a new person. And that's not impossible. You're not stuck in anything. Anybody trying to say you're stuck in wherever you are, they full of it. They don't know. Because you still have your brain. You can still think. You can change up. If you like really feeling like you ignorant in some areas, or you don't know what's up, or physically you don't feel like it, physically you can hit the gym. You can change up. Mentally, you can learn whatever you need to learn. That's one of the things that we have now in this society, because you can learn whatever. It don't mean you have to go to school. It don't mean that. Shoot, you can just get right here on YouTube and learn whatever you have to learn. Shoot, I remember just cooking like burgers, because I got a really sensitive fire alarm. And after that one time, I was cooking burgers on the stove, and the fire alarm went off. I was like, okay, I got to do something different. You know what I did? I learned how to cook them in the oven. You know how I learned how to do that? All I did was get online and see other people doing it. And I actually like it better. In fact, I remember telling a lady friend of mine to do that, because she makes some burgers and stuff. But, I ain't going to get too much into that. Here's the point. The point is, you can learn whatever. You might have to rebuild yourself, because it ain't working. Let's just be real. The bottom line is, whatever you're doing now is not working. Being dumb is trying to do the same thing over and over and think you're going to get a change. No, you got to do something different. This ain't working. You on a job, you keep getting fired from jobs, or you're not moving up in a job. You have to do something different. You might have to come to work. Like, I remember on one of my jobs, there was a woman, and she actually went down. She was actually very educated, but she actually kept going down because she kept coming to work late. She wasn't doing stuff. She was annoying people. And then I saw her later at an even lesser type of job. I just happened to see her. I was like, this is where you at now. This is where you at. But she didn't learn. See, you have to rebuild yourself. You have to first look at yourself. And don't try to blame the theys. Yeah, the theys do a whole bunch of stuff, but you don't blame theys. You don't blame other people. You don't blame, being a sovereign man, you don't blame women. You don't blame your family. Whatever the case, you look at the only person you can blame for anything is in the mirror. That's the only place you have to look, because that's the place you have 100% control of. If you having all this trouble in life, that's the only place. And yeah, you got the days, you got people trying to interfere with you, but you have a choice in that matter. And you can build yourself so you don't have this problem. It's up to you. Like, I'll use my own example, because I always talk about my medical emergency when I had that stroke 3 years ago. Well, shoot, going on 4 years. Shoot, yeah, I'll just say 3 years ago, right? And I'm going to tell you what. Yeah, I would have some doctors and therapists. They'd come see me for 5 minutes, then I was sitting around. I'm going to tell you what. The change came because I wanted to do it. I wanted to rebuild. Because, yeah, they would do stuff, but that would be like maybe a half an hour at best. Then I was around the other time. But I had to decide. I decided to rebuild myself. I didn't wait for them. That's the most important thing. You don't wait for somebody else. You look at yourself. You look in the mirror. You have that mirror talk. Let me shout out C Boogie. He's talked a lot about mirror talk. You got to look at yourself and say, you know what? This isn't working. I have to do it. I can't wait for this other person to do it. And I can't blame this other person I'm in a position I'm in no matter what they did. Because I have a choice. And I have to rebuild myself. It can be, like I said earlier, it could be physical. You have to get your health right. Shoot, you might have to stop using like some illicit substances or something like that. You have to stop using drugs, maybe stop smoking. And I've met some people who've actually done that. They realized this wasn't helping them, so they stopped. That's rebuilding itself, learning whatever, getting into reading, getting the knowledge. Because like I also said earlier, shoot, the way things are in this world, you can get the knowledge. Shoot, all you need is a smartphone. You can get all the knowledge that you need. And that's what you have to do. You have to rebuild yourself. You got to make yourself into a new person. And anybody can do that. There's nothing stopping you. There's nothing stopping you. You can remake yourself physically. You can remake yourself mentally. You can do what you have to do. You might have to get new friends. You might have to move. You can do it. You can do whatever it is that you need to do to get to a higher level. But you might have to do it because what you're doing is not working. Because that's the thing you got to really think about the most. Is what you're doing working? Now, if it's working and you're succeeding with it, well, shoot, stay with it. But if you're not succeeding in life, is what you're doing working? Is how you thinking working? Is that working for you? Is that doing the things that you wanted to do? You might have to change up. Especially in this time, you get so many people being laid off. It might not be working for them to think they can just depend on this one job. Like I say on my money channel, get that side job. You're going to do what you need to do. All right. So you may have to rebuild yourself to succeed. Ain't no ifs, ands, and buts. All right. Because it's not working. Whatever you're doing isn't working. You want to do stuff that works. All right. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Keep rising to become the sovereign man that you are meant to be. All right. Peace and blessings, everyone.